Alright guys, it's arrived. What happens when you get bored on Sunday, get your hands on. Decided to buy a scanner, so let's check it out. Let's get the first impression coming out of the box. What do you think? Okay. Guys, when I bought this, it was actually in a promo. I think I got like $70 off and a free little case. Too nifty. That looks good. Alright, here comes the box. Alright. Looking at that box, you could have bought it off of Wish instead of Amazon. So, let's get this paper off. Hopefully I can do it without cutting my finger off. What do you think? Whoa. Ooh, what is this? Dear sir, really appreciate your support and trust in purchasing from us. We sincerely hope that our products will meet your needs and expectations. We'll see about that. Definitely use some tape on it. Woo. Put my eye out. Alright, you can see it's ThinkScan. I ordered that, I believe it's the S7 model. You're supposed to get 5 different modules that can be unlocked with this. I'll do a really good job with their plastic right in there. Alright, there it is, the ThinkScan Plus from ThinkScan. Had some pretty decent reviews. Couldn't find very many video reviews, so hopefully you find this one useful. It's just to save you money in a professional diagnostics. So, yeah. First impressions, nice little box. Let's see what it feels like in the hand. If I can get the... Alright, how do you get the box open? Yeah, they're tearing it up. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what we get with it. Alright. I believe it's a 5-inch screen. They did have a 7-inch screen option, but it was about $100 more. So instead of the 5-inch, it probably worked just fine. There it is, ThinkScan Plus S7. Comes with a, I guess, a communication cord, because I don't think it's got an onboard battery. I guess you use that to hook to your computer. Whew. Nice thick manual. Looks like it's in different languages. So yeah, guys, that's my first initial impression. It doesn't look too bad. Got a nice feel to it, nice rubber guard in case you drop it, screen protector. So next step would be to hook it to the truck. Got to check